On to Nature Republic. I got some face masks from Nature Republic too. I got the Nature Republic Aloe, given by Nature Aloe mask sheet. And I had 3, but then I got the Nature Republic Argan 20 masks sheet, which has exo on it. Last thing I got from Nature Republic is the Flower Tint Lip Balm 6P set. I got exo-m. I got the exo-m set, which these are just lip balms. This is what it looks like. Then when you open it up, you get some photo cards and 6 lip balms. Well, the photo cards are actually like outside, but I put them inside. So yeah, I'll show you the photo cards. So first we have Chris. Chris is my ultimate bias. Comment who your bias is down below. And yeah. Well, I'm glad for him, even though he might not be an EXO anymore, but I hope and then I have is happy. Lay, Luhan. Everybody loves Luhan. Isn't he cute? And then there's Schumann. Oh, I also think he's cute. And Chen. And Tao. Now onto the lip balms. So you have 2 in rose, 2 in peach, and 2 in lemon. So I'm gonna show you what each one has a member's face in it. Chris. And the other rose one is Lay. And these are clear in the jar or pot or whatever you want to call it. But when you put it on your lips, they become pink. Peach one, we have Luhan. Other peach one, we have Schumann. For the lemon one, we have Chen. Last one is Tao. The last things I got from are from Missha, and I got some blotting sheets. This came in a pack of 3, and there's 100 sheets in each one. So, and these are also a special edition, and I only got these because Changmin and Yuno are on it. As you can see, I'm a very big K-pop fan, and I would love to know who your favorite K-pop group or idol or whoever it is that you like. So comment down below on that too. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe if you like these kinds of videos, and also thumbs up this video if you like this kind of video. And you can follow me on Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram. I'll put all the links in the description box below. Bye! You like what I'm wearing today? Ha 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 ha.